Breaking news to bring to you right now on Sh0t TV News Report. Reputed gang leader Dog Paul Linton shot in St. Andrew. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Sh0t TV News Report, and we'll be right back. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Sh0t TV News Report. Reputed gang leader Christopher Dog Paul Linton was reportedly shot by unknown assailants in St. Andrew a few hours ago. The details of the development are still sketchy, but according to sources, Linton was shot about 9 p.m. and rushed to hospital for treatment. There are also reports emerging that a second man was shot and injured during the incident, a senior police officer indicated. More information will be provided as soon as it is available. Linton, who was in 2013 sentenced to 15 years in prison on charges of shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm, was freed in April of this year after his conviction was quashed in the Court of Appeal. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. This has been Sh0t TV Breaking News Report. Thanks for watching.